Meaning of goon.
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 Goon. The word goon has several meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In slang, a goon refers to a person who acts aggressively or violently, often for the benefit of someone else. In this sense, it can also mean a hired thug or enforcer. In ice hockey, a goon is a player who is mainly used for physical intimidation and fighting. Overall, the term goon typically carries negative connotations and implies a lack of intelligence or sophistication. It is important to be mindful of the context and potential offense when using this word.